Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. This is a property, well, this is a church in Buckley, my hometown. We're done this 1800s wall. It's been reversed into, it's been damaged so much. All the plinth stretcher bricks were loose. It was pointed in sand and cement. All the wrong things to happen to an old wall like this. This is an 1800s wall, original to the church. All the front was pointed, stretcher bricks. Some of that wall was relaid, and also we did the back. So that's the back of the wall. Every one of them plinth stretcher bricks were all loose. They were all rebedded in. Because the wall isn't straight, you had to kind of put them back, squint in a way, just to match the wall. And I think it's a beautiful finish. This was repointed in Lafarge NHL 3.5 with Boris brown sand at a 1:3 ratio. So give it 2 or 3 years to blend in, and that wall will look as though it was original. But if you're close to Buckley or Chester area, even the Wirral, I'll travel 35 minutes at most from Buckley area now. If you need any help with any projects you're doing yourself, please give me a message. Thank you. So this is the back of the wall. Got vegetation on that corner. I'll pull all that off, but we can only do what we can. The wall on the back's not beautiful. Some of the copings, well, the plinth stones or bricks are loose.